You'll learn how to install Android Studio within 4 minutes. No bullshit guide. First, download the latest or the desired version of Android Studio from the link in the description. After downloading, open the .exe file and select your desired location and hit install. And yes, of course, install the necessary SDKs before developing an app. We're not done yet. After installation, download the necessary extension from here. After the extensions have been installed, you have to install some previous version Android SDKs to make your app compatible with older Android versions. You can do this stuff later, but doing it now will ease your hassle later down the path. Now, that's it. After installing, restart Android Studio and boom, you're ready for your next side project that will eventually fail. That was a joke. Good luck for your next project and peace.